Hello students. Today we are going to learn a key points of being a good listener. So this lesson is from 5th standard. Unit number 1st, lesson number 3. And the name of the lesson is Be a Good Listener. So in this lesson we are going to understand how we can become a good listener. Listener means the one who listens. So let's start the lesson. It is important to be a good listener when you are learning a language or when you are dealing with other people. So, it is important to be a good listener whenever you learn a language or whenever you listens anything or dealing with other people. Are you a good listener? You can find it out with the help of the following question. So there are a few questions, and from that question we can find out that whether we are a good listener or not. So first question is, when you are listening to someone, do you look at the person or do you turn your head away or toy with something else? So whenever you listen to someone, do you look at that person? Do you look at the person's face, or do you turn your head away, or you ignore that person, or do you toy with something else, just like with your finger, or just like sometimes people play with the pen or the key, whatever things in their hands. They ignore that person who is speaking in front of you. So do you do like this? And answer is, good listeners look at the speaker. So the one who is good listener is always looks at the speaker. He listen carefully whatever the speaker is speaking in front of them. Next question is, do you pay attention to what the speaker is saying? So do you pay attention, good attention? Attention means take a notice of. So do you notice whatever the speaker is saying? And answer is, good listeners pay close attention to the speaker. He notices all the things whatever speaker is speaking. So always pay close attention to the speaker. And there is a third question, that do you make any special effort? Effort means attempts to understand the speaker. So do you make anything special, or do you make anything different to understand the speaker? So answer is, here are some of the things that will help you understand the speaker better. Means if you are not understanding something from the speaker, what did you do? So whenever you are listening something, do you do anything special or anything different that you can understand the speaker better? See, here are some of the things that will help you understand the speaker better. First point is, if you hear some new or unfamiliar words, try to guess their meaning from the context. Unfamiliar means not well known. So if you hear some new words or new things, try to guess their meaning from the context. Just try to understand the meaning of that word or that thing. Next is, you can try to guess what the speaker will say next. If you pay close attention, you can guess what the speaker will say the next. So pay close attention and try to guess the what the speaker will say next. Next is, try to keep listening even when you feel that you do not understand the speaker, or even when you disagree with the speaker. So even if you are not understanding something which the speaker is speaking or talking in front of you, just keep listening. Just keep listening them, even if you are not understanding that. Wait for the speaker to finish what he is saying, Then you can get your doubts clarified by asking polite question. So if you are not understanding something, just wait for the speaker finish their talk, and after finishing the talking, you can ask and you can clear your doubts by asking a polite question. But whenever you are going to ask a doubt or clarify the thing, you have to ask that question very politely. And next point is, do not feel shy or afraid to ask questions. If you do not understand what is being said, put your question to the speaker politely. So if you didn't understand anything, just don't feel shy or don't get afraid, don't get scared. Just be a good listener and ask your question very politely, without shying or without getting scared. You can ask your question very politely. And next point is, sometimes it helps to note down important words or point even as you listen. So when you listen something, and when you clear your doubt, you can note that word, or it can help helpful to you, that you can get new words or important words. And lastly, it also helps to keep thinking about what you heard. You may grasp the meaning of a difficult word or phrase later on. Means, so when you didn't understand any word or new language or something, you can think about that word or the new word which you heard from the speaker, and you just think about that word. You may grasp the meaning of difficult word or phrase later on, and you keep your listening. After some time or later, you can understand the meaning or you or the phrase. So here are the points to becoming a good listener. So follow these all points and be a good listener. I hope all of you understand this lesson.